All right, so to properly season your Hexclad hybrid cookware, you are going to need a couple of things. First things first is a good pair of tongs. You are going to need some paper towels. And most importantly, you are going to need an oil that has a high smoke point. I highly recommend you use avocado oil or aguacate oil. This one will do the job really good. If you don't have this Hexclad hybrid cookware, you can go to Costco, or if you don't have a Costco membership or a Costco around you, I will be putting a link on the description below for some of the products you see here. So go ahead and feel free to click on those, purchase these, and let me know what you think. If you click on the links below, it does help out my channel. This also works for, let's say you've already had it for a while and you want to re-season it. You would want to go through the same process. Now, some of the reasons that you might want to re-season it is if you bought it and you put it in the dishwasher. Every time you put it in the dishwasher, it's recommended that you re-season it. If you're going to be hand washing them, you should season it once and it should be good. Each one comes with its own little cover. So step one here is, of course, give it a wash. And now that it's washed, I'm going to go ahead and just dry it out. The very first thing I will tell you is that these guys are a very good conductor of heat. You won't have to put your setting on your burners as high as you normally would with any other pan. So it does take a little, it's a learning curve, but this will take a lower heat setting than what you're normally used to. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to go ahead and turn on your burner, and you want to get it nice and warm before you add your avocado oil. So these pans are endorsed by Gordon Ramsay, so you know that guy, high quality. So whatever he recommends is usually pretty good. One other thing that you'll notice is that this pan here, it does conduct heat pretty good, but your handle will stay pretty fresh. It will not heat up. It might heat up maybe up to about right here, but the handle itself will stay cool. So the next thing you want to do is you want to add about a tablespoon or two of your oil. So what this is going to do is it's going to sit here for about 10 minutes, give or take. What you're trying to do here is you're trying to season it for the first time. You're trying to heat up the oil. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes more or less. Now for the next step in the process. You want to go ahead and get your paper towels. Get a couple of them. You want to put this on the pan itself, and you want to just kind of like rub it around. What you're trying to do here is you're trying to pick up the oil. Give it one last seasoning here. And there you go. What you want to do after this is you want to let it cool off by itself. Do not pour cold water on this. It'll warp it. Let it cool off by itself. Once it's cool, it's pretty much non-stick. You can still use oil when you're cooking, but it's pretty much seasoned already. Once again, this has been the Smoking Beer. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.